So can you tell me which eye is Huda Beauty and which eye is Dollar Tree? Yeah, me neither. Okay, so I'm going to be recreating a look from the Huda Beauty Mercury Retrograde palette using LA Colors with these three palettes: Waterlily, this is readily available, Chic, and Feeling Good. So I'm going to do the Huda Beauty on this eye, and I'm going to take this shade right there. The names will be on the screen. So that is going to be on the lid, up into the crease. Then I'm going to be taking Feeling Good, and I'm taking shade number 1, and I'm doing the same thing on the other eye. Should I be showing you that I'm going into the Huda? Do you believe me? Next is from Huda. I am going into this shade right here, this dark shade. And I'm placing that over the lid, up into the crease, and up. So for the other side, I'm taking from the Chic palette, this color right there, and I'm doing the same thing on the other eye. I cleaned the brush off. I went a little crazy on this eye, so I gotta go a little crazy on this eye. These are the exact same color, guys. Exactly. When I swatched them, they were a bit different, but on the eye, I mean, I say this every time, would never know. So I also put this shade here under the eye. Oh, which one is, wow. I literally forgot which eye was which. They look identical. This is LA Colors. I put it under the eye just to save you the torture. So for the fun color, we are using from Waterlily this middle shade right there. And I'm just putting this all over the lid on top of where I put it on the lash line even. This is the main color. She is the star of the show. Oh, this is beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. The difference between these two shades, the Huda Beauty and this one here, is the Huda Beauty has some pink reflect sparkles in it. But once you have on your glasses or something, like nobody's going to see. Nobody's going to know that there's reflect sparkles on your eyeshadow. Nobody. So the color I'm talking about is this one right here. So I'm going to place that on the brush and on the lid. See, it's a little bit more sparkly, a little bit more shiny. I guess that means that same as sparkly, but you know, it's early. And who thought it would be light in the morning? I thought it would be light in the morning. And here we are. So now 5 o'clock is 4 o'clock for light. Ugh, I was so irritated. So what I'm going to do to counterattack the sparkle on this side to this side is I'm going to put this shade. And I mean, I already have this palette for this shade, so why not, right? So I'm just going to put a little bit of this one on top of this one, just to bring it a little bit more light. It's not going to make it this eye. Like, it's not going to do what that eye does, but it's going to make it appear that it's the same, which it pretty much is. You're not going to know. Nobody's going to say to me, you got 2 different eyes on. Nobody. So I'm also going to take this shade from Huda, and I'm going to place that under here and connecting it with the other color. Looks like that. Then I'm going to take from this palette here, because I forgot the name, this shade, and I'm doing the same on this eye. Oh, do you see that? I barely have to touch. I barely have to touch. This is insane. These are amazing. These 3 pans from LA Colors are just, I can't. They're so good. And to be able to replicate a Huda Beauty eyeshadow is just, or eyeshadow look, is just so up my alley. So when my Huda Beauty needs a dupe, while I'm panning it, it's here. It's totally here. Like I'm sorry, I say this every time, but you are not telling me that you see a difference. So what's next? I think okay. So there it is. That was so easy. Like I said, I like to do only 3 colors. I don't want to make anything too complicated for anybody, but I want the eye look to look beautiful at the same time. I want it to look like we put 5 colors on, but we only put on 3. And, oh, okay, maybe 4. I'm going to use this one on this eye where Dollar Tree is. And I'm going to put that, I'm going to put it a little bit on top in this, right here, just to lighten up this little inner, just to lighten up this little inner bit of eye as well, and up into there. And here. And then I'm going to go into the Huda palette and I'm going to use this shade right here. And I'm doing the same thing on this side. Look at that. It's the exact same color. This is why I love that Cosmic color so much. It is just, oh, they need to bring it back. They really need to bring it back. I really hope that they do. Because this color in the Huda was one of my favorite colors. That's why it's almost gone. Like, do you see that? So, I am going to go and do my eyeliners and my face. And I'm going to put on this new blush that I got from Dollar Tree in Warm Rose. It's beautiful. This is the in from the cold look on your cheeks. Don't sleep on these, guys. These are the other 3, or 2, sorry. These are the other 2. So I've got a little trio here. I love them. Go get them. They're by Ioni. Thought I'd show you the blush color in Warm Rose in action. It is very, very pigmented. As pigmented as Rare Beauty. I have Rare Beauty right here, a little one. That's a dog. His name is Blue. I'm babysitting him for 2 weeks. He's chasing he's doing his little back thing on the back, where they're on the back, paws are up in the air. Oh, baby. I'm putting it over the nose because I want that out in from the cold look. I know, Booby, we're going to go in a bit. Is that not stunning? That is stunning. So, on my brows is the LA Colors Brow Powder in Universal. My highlighter is the bpure Shimmering Pearl. So, let's pick a lipstick. I have 3 to choose from today, and it's Elf's Creme, Revlon's Lilac Mist, and MAC's Stone. My stomach's growling. I think for ease today, because I have to take the dog out to go potty, I'm just going to put on this one. Elf's Creme. So there's the finished look, guys. I hope you found this video helpful. You like, you subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Have a wonderful day. Bye!